What is up, you lovely people? Just some updates for the Fiat. Don't mind the messy head. Time to get my hair cut. She's taxed, insured and booked for the NCT. It's time to get this bad boy around to the garage and get some petrol in it, and then we can plan on tints, bodywork and exhaust. And now, before I show you this video is not sponsored by Amazon. It's just dead handy to have, and everyone that has a car should have one. And I did have one, but I can't find it. I bought this off Amazon. Let's have a look. It is a car battery charger. I won't take it out, I only put it away this morning. Do you know what? I will take it out and show you how easy it is to use, because that's all it is, just a box. Now, literally plugs into a normal plug socket. You have your negative and your positive, and you have a few modes on it. It tells you if there's a fault in the battery, if you need to repair the battery. Like, they don't self-generate, so you actually have to repair it, and it fully charges it. So all you have to do is put them on your battery and it'll charge it, and if the battery doesn't charge, you can press repair and it will repair the cells in the battery and charge it at the same time. It's actually brilliant, and it was €20 off Amazon. I will put the link in the description if you do want to get yourself one, because it's the cheapest one that was there and had the best ratings. So yeah, and it worked because the Fiat starts. Let's go start it. Uh-oh. Some fresh petroleum, and I don't know what the story is with the battery. Maybe I need a new one, because I did charge it for a while, but sure, I haven't hooked it up to the jump leads yet, so I'll put this petrol in and try and start it and see what the crack is. Oh Fiat, why did you do that? So awkward. Now, no leads. Hopefully it just starts. Jiggly jiggly. Jiggle jiggle. Right. No. Jump leads time. Start the Mini. The trusted Mini. Saving the day once again. Connection issue. Okay. Okay, just leave it for a few minutes, let it charge up a bit, because dead as a dodo. Right, let's give it a go now. We left it for 5 minutes, so phew, straight up. Right guys, so the Fiat is started. I can close this now and turn off the reliable Mini. Fiat sounds great. And then just disconnect these, because I have a Buddy Club air condenser and it makes the battery go dead. So take that off, close that up, bring that in a spin. Now guys, front grill's just put in place just so it doesn't look awful and open, but these will be getting painted black during the week, and then hopefully I get the car booked in to get painted and the tint's done, and I have an exhaust on the way and we have underglow, and it's going to be freaking awesome. So make sure you're following along to see all that happening. Let's go on a spin. So credit where credit is due with Fiat. This thing looks tiny from the outside, but it's absolutely massive inside. The leg room in the front, and there's actually more leg room in the back than the Mini and Aaron's 300ZX and a Supra. So yeah, it's awesome. So let's go on a little rip. So because the Fiat hasn't been driven in so long, I'm not going to take it far. I'm literally going to drive it around the estate, maybe down the main road and back up on myself. I love this. This is awesome. Nice and bright, nice and comfortable. I love this car. If you haven't ever driven one or owned one, you need to. Let's go. Right guys, we're back. Fiat's all good. Brakes were a little but that's all gone from a sitting up, so just needs a good drive, needs a good service next. I don't know about the battery, but I might get a new battery, some plugs, new oil, new coolant and oil filter. That will be the next thing to get done on the Fiat, but for today I'm just using it for a little run around, just because it hasn't been driven in a while. It's taxed, it's insured, NCT is booked, so it needs to be done. But yeah, I'm going to drive it and enjoy it. That's it for this short video. Really appreciate you for watching. Make sure you hang around for more pimpy mods for the Fiat, because it's not a normal build, it's just stuff getting bolted on. I might even do turbo kit. Comment down below if you want me to do a turbo kit. eBay turbo kit. Won't make much power, but a bit of fun. Who's up for it? Make sure you comment down below, subscribe, give the video a like, and be dedicated. So I'll see you in the next one guys. Peace out.